Hello everyone, I am Apendra. I have completed my BTech in 2017. Why I am looking for a job, I got to know about eVision TechnoServe IT requirement and consulting company and their online job training program. So I joined eVision. In eVision, I joined an online job internship and I got selected for BAJAJ Finance Limited. This salary offered 2.5 LPA. I think eVision TechnoServe is a great platform to grow myself. The trainer are very helpful. In 45 days of training, I have learned CCNA, window administration, virtualization, and ITIL from the trainer of eVision. They covered the theory part of these technologies as well as provided practical knowledge to me. Thank you for this. Thank you so much, eVision, for giving me with this opportunity. Thank you.